This is Teacher Sharifah. How are you? I hope everyone in a good condition. Before we start our class, let's watch a video first. You don't like rain because you have to stay inside your house. But rain is very important. No plant could grow without it. Now I'll show you how such a rain shower is formed. The suns play an important part in that. Let's see if the trees colors will grow afterwards. Because without the sun, there would be no rain either. When the ray of sunlight hit a lake or the sea, the water at the spot grows warmer. Tiny water particles rise up at the surface, but they are so small that you can't see them. They become lighter and keep on rising upwards. On the other way up, the air around the water particles grow colder and colder. Finally, when they are really cold, they move closer together and form clouds. More and more water particles join in form below, until the cloud is so filled up that the particles snuggle together into small drops. The drops grow bigger and bigger until they are so heavy they fall out of the cloud, and this is called rain.
Hi kids, let's do an exercise with teacher. So, our exercise for today is match the picture with the correct answer. Okay, on the first picture is rain, R-A-I-N, rain. And the second picture is raincoat, R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. And third is flood, F-L-O-O-D, flood. And next is lightning, L-I-G-H-T-N-I-N-G, lightning. And lastly is umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you can finish this exercise with your mom and dad. See you for the next class. Bye.